going to show you something very important. These lids do not fall into this can. You cannot. Look at that. In this video, we are talking about an electric can opener, but not just any electric can opener. This is the Kitchen Mama, and it's a yes you can electric can opener. It's going to split the seam right along the edge. Very, very safe. This one, we're not going to have a sharp edge. Also, two important things. We're not going to be taking off the entire lid, which means we're just going to be left with the can, because that would leave us with a sharp edge. Nor are we going to cut a hole in the can, which is going to leave us with a sharp lid. All we're going to do is put it on, push the button. It's going to line itself up. It's going to go around the can. After it's done, we'll push the button to stop it. And then at that point, we'll just peel it off and voila, it'll be all done. Just place it on top. There's no special. We just need to get in between these 2 points here. Let it sit. The magnet will take over. We're going to press the button and let it do its job. And there you go. That's it. Just does the trip. Does it all by itself. Now all I need to do to take the can open is to actually just pull on it a little bit, and voila, look at that, it just came off. The reason I do that is because, well, this will actually take the lid off for me. And there's the lid. It's off. Can number one all done. I'm going to put that lid right back on there. Show you that you can do that. You can just sit that lid right back on that can. We're going to take this can as is. We're going to put that one aside. And this is also very important. If you have any issues with your hands, or you're looking at this can opener for somebody who may have issues with their hands opening things and being able to control and hold these lids, and you want to make sure it's safe, this is absolutely the best way. If I squeeze this too hard, I can't cut myself. If I drop it, I'm not worried about picking it up. It doesn't fall flat like a regular, just tiny little can lid does. And again, it doesn't go inside the can. It won't fall in when you're cutting it, and you don't have to worry about that. Again, I can feel very happy and comfortable holding this. I'm not going to cut myself. I'm not going to cut anybody else with that. We're going to grab another can. We're going to do the same thing. We're just going to put that down. I'm going to press that button. And there you go. Once again, I'm going to just grab that, pull back on it, pull that lid off. There you go. Again, that simple. We're going to put that lid right back on there. And we're going to do it one more time. Now remember, that is really safe. Especially if you're recycling too. If you're recycling, I don't like the idea of always having the sharp lids in the actual recycling bin. Now, you don't have to worry about that. And again, it's going to do it all on its own. When it goes around, it does its job, it's going to lay flat, and all you need to do is press the button to stop it. And there you go, the Kitchen Mama. Now that is impressive. Again, it just peels the lids off. That's all it does. Very important. No sharp edges here. No sharp edges here. Really, really nice. You feel much better about this. I mean, you know, you don't go poking in the can to get your lid out. You know, this is really what you want. You get any size can, and look at that. You can put it right back on its lid if that's what you need to do. Well, I hope this video helped you out a bit today in your buying decision. Maybe I'll see you in the next video. Like I say, thanks for watching. Bye for now.